Hey guys, today we will be making this plane made out of wood. We used a scroll saw, but you can use a jigsaw or you can chisel out the curves. It has wheels so it can just roll around freely. And it also has a spinning propeller. And of course, it can't fly, but it's a really fun project to make. First, I spray adhesive the board and then I just use the printout template and stick it on. Okay, now it's time to add the propeller. Just find the middle, then drill a hole and the countersink. And here I'm just, playing with the propeller on the drill. Then I just screw it in. I added wheels at the back, but it's optional. You don't need them. I just put them so it rolls better. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. And of course, we can improve it next time. Maybe I can even make a biplane, which is just like this, except there's another set of wings at the top, I think. And yeah. And I hope you can like this video and please support my channel by liking and subscribing. And I hope you comment down below to maybe give feedback. And yeah, that would be it for today, guys. Bye.